My name is Oluwaseyi. I am 16 years old. I am in SS3A. The names of my parents are Mr. and Mrs. Ajayi. My father is a farmer while my mother is a seamstress. The year of my residence in Aiyede-Ekiti, my mother is 6 years, while my father is using 7 years now. I attended Total Care International School in the year 2007 to 2008 to 2015 to 2016, which was located at Eliozo, Umudmaya, under Obia local government in Rivers State. Thereafter, I came down to Ekiti State to further my education in LA Primary School, which was located in Aiyede-Ekiti in the year 2016 to 2017. Then I was later admitted in Aiyede Grammar School in Aiyede-Ekiti in the year 2017 to 2018 to date. My current class is SS3A. I am aspiring to become an aeronautic engineer. An aeronautic engineer is a person who builds or creates aircraft. 1. I delight in uncommon courses. 2. I am a technological person who watches videos of people who build or invent aircraft. 3. I want to leave Nigeria going in engineering. My road plan to achieve this is that I'm already studying science courses which will help me take in, such as maths, English, chemistry, physics, geography. With the help of a reputable school, my parents and the disciplinary teachers. 1. I came from a student family. 2. I want to become a big pillar to give back to the society what I've been given to me as a patriotic Nigerian. 3. I need financial background so I could realize my dream. Conclusively, if MEF is unable to render this support, God is able to do more than my expectation.